Well, if you're getting organized, you don't have to spend a lot on baskets and containers because personal concierge Tarra Stubbins is going to show us how to use things you've already got around the house, like egg cartons and pop bottle or pop can containers.
Yes.
Curious what that's for.
So it's interesting, New Year's resolutions are all about getting organized, but also saving money. So you don't have to go out and spend lots of money on these things. You have it already around your house.
Okay.
So just before we went on, I said everyone should have a bread clip in their wallet. And you looked at me funny.
And why is that?
Well, because you can use bread clips for so many things. One thing, I'm not showing it here today, but if your flip-flop breaks, you can put it on the bottom and fix it.
How? Why didn't I have that when my flip-flop actually did break on vacation
They break
once?
all the time.
Yes.
You need a bread clip. So,
Okay.
bread clips and binder clips are really great tools. You can organize everything with them. So what would you organize with bread clips and binder clips?
Okay, with binder clips, I know we have a bunch of them all over our house. So I use them to tie up chip bags.
Yes.
And to tie up stuff like that goes in the freezer, like a bag of corn or whatever, right? Put that in there.
Yeah.
What else do we do with it?
All
We
right,
put
so I'm
papers
going
and
to do the
stuff
big
together.
reveal.
Ooh.
So you can organize your desk with them and all your cords. So you can clip them to your desk and your cords will dangle neatly down so you don't have to fight for them.
That's
which
a great
I love.
idea.
Bread clips we've used in many different ways. You can put them on your tape so you don't lose the end of it.
That's very handy.
Yes.
Very handy.
You can organize your cords and label them, so laptop, monitor, desk lamp, so you know which cord you might unplug. And this one I love. You can put them on the end of your Christmas tree lights, so you know which one to unplug first when you're taking down the tree.
Great idea.
Okay, egg cartons.
Egg cartons. So I've used these to put very small Christmas ornaments in.
Yeah.
It's
a good one.
And eggs.
Yes, eggs. Very good. So you guessed the egg, the Christmas ornaments for sure. You can paint them, you can get the kids involved, and you can organize desk drawers with them.
This is a great idea. I'm just going to hold this up so people can see.
Yeah,
There
you
we
can
go.
organize your tools, tool drawers, and you can even put jewelry in them. So, you know, little earrings.
So
and
necklaces don't
buttons.
like get all tangled up in each
Yeah,
other,
you can
right?
even hang the necklaces off of these, and yeah, they don't get tangled up.
Oh, what a smart idea. I love the junk drawer idea too.
And these are actually really expensive in stores. They go for around $10 to $12.
Okay.
So, you know, hey, and get, as
Use
I
what
said, get
you
the
already
kids
have.
involved.
Okay.
Okay, shampoo bottle.
Empty shampoo bottle.
Yes, okay.
I don't really, I reuse stuff. Like I buy really, really big containers
Yes.
and then refill them.
Yes.
And that's all.
I know. Okay. Well, it's over here. Can I sneak around you
yes,
here?
please do.
Okay. This one we can reveal. This is a fun one. So you can cut it and hang your cell phones and your wires on it so your cell phone
That's a
doesn't
lot of work,
sit on
but
the
it looks very
ground.
cool.
You can, I gold leaf this one. You can get really, really creative. Again, get the kids involved as well.
Okay.
All right.
right.
Since I'm over here, let's do this one. The pop boxes. So I wrap these to make them look more interesting and fun. What would you suggest?
Like magazines, rolled up magazines?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, I don't know.
All right, you can put them in your cupboards and keep cans and soup and everything in there.
Just other cans.
Yes, other cans.
Okay, that's where you threw me. You threw me. Okay, what about these? Okay, these ones I have, and they were surplus from an office, and I use them to put my pot lids in the kitchen.
Yes, great idea. You can do a million things with magazine holders. So you can store your onions and your garlic in your cupboard, lids like Tupperware lids, pot lids, bags. You can put lunch bags in them. Really, the possibilities are endless.
Okay, that's a great idea. And then what's
Last
here?
one. So
Can I do the big
food.
reveal on
I'm
this
going to
one?
come back over here. So baby food containers or mini jars, we all have them like all around the house. So obviously, you know, there's a million things that you can do with these. Do you have a guess?
Okay, so what I do with these, with really small, I use them to bring, and I have one in my lunch right now. I make my own salad dressing and I put it in there and it comes with my lunch. I also use them to go to the bulk bar and buy their stuff because you get a discount.
I used to use the mini bottles that you get at hotel room service for ketchup. For the
Great idea.
So what I used is you can put magnets on them and put your spices in them. You can also put, again, for tool organizing, you can put mini, you know, your nails and screws and all of that stuff.
What great ideas. And you've got lots more on your socials as well. And we'll get that link up on our website at chch.com. I am going home and organizing even more. Awesome job. Awesome job.